Robotics and artificial intelligence are shaping the future. In 2025, we're witnessing a powerful convergence that's transforming how industries operate. While AI empowers machines to learn and make decisions, robotics provides the physical systems stacked on them. Together, they're revolutionizing sectors like manufacturing, agriculture, and healthcare. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots streamline production lines, enable predictive maintenance, and collaborate with humans on complex tasks. Agriculture is going autonomous, with self-driving tractors, smart drones, and robotic weeders enhancing efficiency and yields. In healthcare, robots support doctors with surgical precision, automate routine care tasks, and elevate patient monitoring. Technologies like machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision are enabling robots to interact, adapt, and evolve in real time. By 2027, the global robotics market is expected to exceed $86 billion, with AI robots growing even faster, transforming the global economy. But with great power comes great responsibility. Ethical concerns around autonomy, accountability, and bias must be addressed. Looking ahead, we'll see more humanoid robots, smarter cobots, and modular machines built for specific needs, all powered by AI. The future of robotics and artificial intelligence is here. Talk to our team to learn more about how these technologies can reshape your industry.